1970 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Listen to this underneath the hood on this one. 6-liter LQ4 power. That's paired up with a Tremec T56 6-speed. Power steering. How fun would this thing be? All right, let's take a look at the front chrome on the bumper, grill, headlight bezels looking good. Orange with the black rally stripes down the hood. If you want to see the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at this great looking wheel. Looks like the brand is a BG wheel by that center cap. Drilled and slotted rotors behind that. Radial tires, BF Goodrich. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This paint is put on here nicely. These panels are nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, scratches that I've come across. We'll make sure we take a look all the way around the car. Black interior. Looks like a Hurst shifter paired up with that Tremec 6-speed. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, and yep, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Look at the rear end, chrome and the rear bumper looking good. And how about a little custom paint? It's rally stripes turning into flames. Underneath the hood, when we pop it, you're going to see aluminum radiator, cold air intake. Technician noted it does have dual exhaust. If you take a look at the underside, you're going to notice that. 373 rear end gears. Brakes are 100% in the front and rear. This thing's turnkey, ready to roll. And again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Novas, maybe just muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And by the way, those of you that have subscribed, thank you. We sure appreciate it. Well over 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So we take a little closer look at this interior, door panels. Again, black vinyl seats. Carpeting looking good. About the headliner. And as you can see, shoulder belts. Aftermarket stereo system, and I have had that working. Kenwood, I believe it is. Yep. Turn the key on, fuel pump, pressurizes. There you can see that is working. Sounding good too. All right, let's fire this up. Nice aftermarket gauge cluster. It looks like the odometer shows about 1357, it looks like on there. Obviously with the fuel injection, fires right up. All right, can you see this without the glare reflection? I'm going to show you this gauge. Here we go. So, temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I expect it to be up. It's like fuel gauge, oil pressure, and voltmeter. If you can see those, sorry it's a little tough to get the camera without the glare of the light above me. But yeah, good looking gauge cluster. You'll see it in the still pictures. Dash looks good. Of course, excellent throttle response. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll get Jason to take it out and show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, painted to match the car. There's that cold air intake. Aluminum radiator. Power steering. And again, 6-liter LQ4. This thing will get up and move. There's no doubt about that. We'll cross our fingers. Hopefully Jason will get on in a little bit. Headers. And with a 6-speed. Beautiful setup. It's ready to roll, folks. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Nice, bright, eye-catching colors, orange and black. Bench seat interior. But we've got a 6-speed manual shifted on the floor. Later model engine power under the hood. Fuel injected, of course, so smooth running, easy to start. Sounds really good. I gotta wait for a little bit of traffic. Aftermarket gauges, that speedometer from Speed Hut showing the odometer and trip built into it. Turn signals also built into it. Let's go see how it does. Very fun to drive. And of course you heard that, sounds amazing. Let's get her in 6th for nice low RPMs. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Very, very subtle finger grooves on the back of that. Appears like wood steering wheel and chrome. The water temperature on this car is currently showing 160, possibly still warming up. The fuel gauge is completely full. The volts are charging at 14.5, and the oil pressure is about 40. Well, we're just above idle, cruising down the road at 6th gear. All of that looking good. May want to check on the fuel gauge. Being full always makes me skeptical. Check our retail report for all the reports from our technicians. Tachometer over on the right, also looking good. We have a stereo from Kenwood. Free country starts now. Sounds good. Speakers front and rear. This car corners well, accelerates well, comfortable and easy to drive. Looking good. A little bit of throwback. We've still got the wood grain on the door panels from 1970. Take a look at all the pictures of this Nova at UniqueClassicCars.com.